Patrick Hammonds. I'm from Athens, Georgia. A neighbor here filming me.
Yeah.
Got a 2020 Sprinter 170, all do-it-yourself build. Never finished. Got 1,000 amp hours of lithium, 600 watts of solar.
Yeah.
Yep, reclaimed barn wood here. Had it planed down thin. Using here, you know, shower, bathroom, air fryer, just everything you need in a van. My wife loves the dragonflies, so we've got dragonflies everywhere. Full queen size bed in the back.
Oh, that's your TV. So
Yeah,
does that
TV there.
swing out then, or
The what?
the TV swing out?
That one does not, but we have two. There's one back there.
Oh, it's a 2 TV
Yeah,
system.
there's two TVs.
here. Wow.
There's one back there, and I also got a magnetic bracket right here that I stick on the door outside, and we just take the TV outside.
Wow, nice.
Yeah. It just pops right off the wall, really easy. Microwave, air fryer.
We got that same switch panel.
Yeah, and touch the bottom one to the left. I'm about out of battery. The left, no, the different panel. That one, touch it. That's,
oh yeah.
yeah, that's my solar.
Yep.
And my batteries, and you know the grid power. But probably the best isotherm drawer fridge right there. Love that thing. It's like a cave.
Oh, it pulls out?
Oh yeah, it's a drawer.
See, I almost wish we'd done that.
I love that thing. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend that. I have an isotherm water heater in the back under the bottom.
How do you like that? I've looked at those. I'm just
water
thinking
heater?
about it. Yeah.
Oh, I love the water heater. It does pull some current. It pulls 750 watts in recovery mode after you take a shower. But it'll recover in about 12 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
After the shower. Shower is plenty big enough. Plenty. Of course, I'm not tall.
And this is one of them
Yep. That's that
squeegee door.
Love that door. Squeegee door, yeah. I forgot what it's called. But,
That's all what I call them.
It's right there.
This is close?
Yep, this closet.
Oh,
yeah.
nice. His and hers, huh?
It was a space I had to figure out what
You
to
get
do.
the top one
I
and
had
she
the
gets
space
the
to do
bottom?
something with. I'm like, I got to do something with that space.
Yeah.
And
What is this wood here?
it's just birch.
That's birch?
Yep, it's just birch.
Well, you sanded the hell out of
Oh
that.
yeah. Sanded it really
beautiful.
good. I had the doors made. I made everything else, but I had a company build the doors for me. 12 volt RTX 3000
Yeah.
automatic. Ran it last night for, I don't know, 12 hours. Cooled the van off to about 62 degrees. It was nice.
Yeah.
The countertops are from Home Depot.
Really?
Home Depot. And this towel right here is from Lowe's. Just stick on.
This is
Plastic,
a
it's
stick-on?
plastic.
You wouldn't know it.
Yep. It's from Lowe's.
I mean, it looks like granite.
Yeah, it turned out really good.
I like that.
Still haven't finished this yet. Don't know what I'm gonna do there yet. I am gonna run back in the back. That's not finished. I'm gonna take this wood back there on the sides.
Can I see all your solar and batteries and stuff?
Absolutely. Come around to the back.
It gives you so much more room. I want to fit my phone. I need something to fit my phone in. So
He's got a lot of stickers here.
Highly recommend this. Highly recommend that.
Is this an owl commercial now?
No, it's not an owl commercial. It is an owl box. And you know what owl stuff costs? It's ridiculous, but love it. Love that.
I do kind of like those too.
Just stuff you don't want in the van, you put in there.
Right.
Anything that might stink, firewood, bugs.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
But
I like that. Anything that would stink.
yeah, anything that would stink goes in there. My entire water system is right there.
Okay.
That's my again isotherm water heater.
Yep.
Marine water heater. I built all that out here in my shop on the ground, slid it in, rev nutted it to the wall. Done.
Oh, nice.
So to repair that, I can take it off the wall and it slides out as one unit.
Huh.
Tank and all.
Wow.
It's a little
And you got a little, this is the fill right here, and
Yep,
then
that's my fill right there.
hose connector.
This my little shower hose, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Got the opening windows in the back, so if you're running your max air fan, it is like a tornado coming through that hole right there.
Really?
Right in my wife's face, which is perfect. That's the way she likes it.
So you sleep heads on that end?
No, head's here.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
these cabinets, you'll notice these cabinets are wider.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you just sleep here and raise up, you're gonna crack your head. Right there, you don't hit your head when you raise up.
From this end, it looks unfinished, but that's just because you haven't got there
Yeah, I
yet.
just hadn't got there yet.
Yeah.
I've had time, I just hadn't done it.
Yeah, I
you
hear
know,
you.
you know how that is.
Yeah.
Got two 206 batteries over here, and racks that I built the racks, and
Sock battery?
that's okay.
That's okay.
Yep. And then I got 3 of them over there.
Oh,
They're back there in the corner.
wow.
But all my electricals over here, as you can tell, on a residential commercial electrician.
Oh, you are?
This is, yeah, yeah. But we boost there, 12 volt panel there, amp for the entire stereo system. It's got a stereo system in the front.
What's the little red box there?
That's WeBoost.
Oh, okay.
Your WeBoost on the roof.
Yeah.
It boosts your cell signals. Do you have one in your van?
No.
Okay.
No.
It works pretty good. It's impressive, but I don't need it now because I got Starlink.
Yeah.
So really, I don't need it. But that's about it.
Nice. I
The
love
labor
it.
of love, as you well know. You work on yours all the time, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
You zigged and I zagged.
We never ever finished. Built the rack and the ladder. Built all that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I got the price in that stuff, and I'm like, why don't I bend conduit for a living?
Oh,
Why don't I just bend this rack
it's
up?
made out of conduit?
Yes, that's 1-inch aluminum conduit.
Really?
So why not just bend it up, learn how to weld aluminum, and build it? There it is. That's what I came up with.
Geez, now I got to get a closer look here. Now that you said that. And then it's that rhino liner or
It's
something?
not rhino, it's called lizard skin.
Oh, lizard skin.
And it's just a kit you can buy on Amazon.
Wow,
Yep, that's what it is.
that is cool. You did a nice job. These are all welded in here?
Yes, they're all welded. Everything.
And you
welded.
learned to weld on this?
Well, I welded for a living when I was younger, but I
Okay.
never welded aluminum, so I had to learn how to weld
Oh,
aluminum.
aluminum weld ain't
Yes.
easy, man.
No, it's not. I had to learn how to weld aluminum.
I'm not a welder.
So I bought a welder, learned how to weld aluminum, bought all the materials for about a fifth what you can buy a new rack for.
Wow.
So I'm in good on it. But that's it. Carry a generator just for backup.
Yeah.
You run out of power, you can I run it right there. Little bitty Honda 2200.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, run it right there. Got a short cord right there, 12 gauge cord. Plug it right into the van, fire it up.
I like your flagpole, too. That's nice.
That was
touch.
actually a Starlink pole, one of the motorized Starlinks.
Oh, yeah.
And it's funny. We were camping about 6 months ago, and I raised it up. I didn't raise it high enough, and the Starlink started turning. Got hung in a rack, busted all the gears out of a Starlink.
Oh,
So now I got a Gen 3 high performance dish up there, which I made a mistake buying that. Pulls too much current. I should have went with a Mini.
oh,
The Mini pulls about 80% less current than this one.
oh, really?
Yeah, this pulls about 150 watts all the time, 24/7,
Oh,
if it's plugged in. That's a lot of current
yeah.
at the end of the day, especially when you're off grid.
But you got enough battery power to do all this.
I do, but we still run out. I mean, when you run air conditioning, you're going to run out.
Yeah.
So you might hear the generator more, but it's not loud. It's not loud at all.
So the generator sitting right there, is that like permanently connected, or do you got to connect
No, I bought this cord right here, a little 12 gauge cord, just the top
Okay.
cord.
Yep.
Yep, and it just plugs in over there on the other side, plugs
Yeah.
right to the end of the generator.
Just like a short power
Very
plug?
short power cord.
I
Good.
see.
Yep.
Huh.
Run it
Nice.
right there. I don't know if you noticed over here. Obviously it's gas and I'm diesel. So bought this sweet little Rotopax can right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And that does,
That'll fill that
The
generator,
generator.
up twice. So the generator's full now.
Yep.
It'll run about 8 hours on one fill. So I can charge 3 times off that Rotopax can.
wow.
So that'll keep you off grid running the air for, 3 or 4 weeks
Yeah.
by charging with that. So,
Oh, very cool.
but that's it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What's your name again? Pat?
Patrick Hammonds.
Patrick Hemmons.
That's my wife, Jen.
What's the van called?
It's the Boom Boom van.
The Boom Boom.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the Boom Boom van.
Skitty Boom Boom or just Boom Boom?
Just Boom Boom.
Very good friend of ours named it.
Okay.
Yeah. First thing she said when she saw it, that looks like a Boom Boom van.
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Well.
It's stuck.
Huh. There's a connotation to that.
I know. Absolutely. It might or may not live up to that.
Yeah.